This is a simple and fast review of the Magriffin RFID Blocking Wallet Shielding Cards. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get this open, you'll have instructions and kind of post-sale cards, and then of course your actual cards here. They do come wrapped in some plastic, pretty solid. And again, you're just going to stick this right in your wallet. And I'll show you kind of an example in a second. But the idea is pretty simple. There's 3 of them. And as far as just a fit, you can see they all fit easily into your typical kind of credit card slot. So definitely easy, definitely worth buying. Something that, you know, probably best, honestly, to slide behind your image, your picture card, stuff like that. That way nobody knows what's going on. But really easy and simple. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. And thank you for watching.